Is there a minute-to-minute program that you've drafted for me? That was first, is it? Minute-to-minute program में वो पहला है जी. Minute-to-minute program I'm following, Minister. I don't violate that. If officials are important, my parivar is also equally important. I follow the minister in charge. Central minister follows the minister in charge here. Unbelievable. You have a list of minute to minute for me to follow. If you did have a difference of opinion, you should have sorted it out even before. Not to put me in an embarrassing position. I'm doing as per your schedule. I'm doing as per your schedule.
Information
अरे भैया वो आप शेड्यूल मिनट टू मिनट लगा रहे हैं ना, मिनट टू मिनट लगा रहे हैं ना, उस मिनट में वो पहला है जी. नहीं, I won't go now क्योंकि you've told me. I'll follow you. टाइम मिनट टू मिनट जिस प्रकार है उसके प्रकार मैं जा रही हूँ.
ಆಫೀಷಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೆಡ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಕರೆದಿರೋದು, ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ ಹೆಡ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಆಯ್ತು ಕಳಿಸಿ, ನನಗೇನಿದೆ. ಅವ್ರು ಮೇಡಮ್ ಏನು ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಮಾಡಿ.
मैडम डिसाइड नहीं ಮಾಡ್ತಾ, आप लोग डिसाइड ಮಾಡ್ते हैं. ओके, सॉरी, let it get recorded. How many of them are from the field taking care of the rehabilitation work? I do not want one person who is going to be upsetting the rehabilitation work here. Let me be sure. I thought your district arrangement is such that you are calling only people. हाँ, माइक में जब बोलेंगे जी. वैसे माइक ऑन भी है ना, so don't worry, रिकॉर्ड कर लो जितने चाहिए.